we're going to take a comprehensive look at the client portal in Pet Sitter Plus. If you find you want to know more about each feature, please watch more detailed videos in the Learning Zone or read articles linked in the description box below. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. You can view the client journey in their portal by going into a client account and tapping Go to Portal, or by clicking the green Client Portal button on the right side of your screen. Top tip: customizing your portal allows you to add your branding colors and any additional messages to the header and footer, such as your phone number and website. You can watch our video about customizing your client portal to find out how. On the Account Summary landing page, your clients can view any invoices that have a payment due now or in the future. Top tip: if you have connected Pet Sitter Plus to your Stripe account, clients can also pay their invoices directly from their Account Summary page. On the View Schedule page, clients can see their booked or requested services, viewed by day, list, or month. Clients can also scroll between previous, current, and future services. Clients can also cancel future services. This does depend on the late cancellation and booking restrictions you have set up. Next, let's move on to the Request Services page. This is where clients can submit requests for the services you offer, adding a note if they wish, including important extra information such as pickup and drop-off times. You, or an admin, then decides if you have capacity to accept the service before it appears in your schedule. Now let's look at how clients can add or update their own and their pet's details in the portal. From the My Information page, clients can add and edit their personal and pet information. Clicking the drop-down arrow reveals the client and pet information pages, where clients can update their personal contact information, add up to 3 emergency contacts, add details about their home and access, tell you all about the visit and feeding routine for their pet, and download forms that you have optionally uploaded for them. Top tip: you can customize the client and pet pages using our Custom Fields function to suit your business practices. We'll look at custom fields in more detail in a separate video. Let's take a look at the pet pages. These include all the pet information, and clients can have as many pet records as they need. At a meet and greet, you can gather information from your client, then you have the option to set up the basic pet page on their behalf, which they can then update. Or alternatively, you can require them to set up the pets themselves within their portal. To add a new pet, they click Add Pet. Enter the pet's name in the name field and select the pet type from the drop-down list. Clicking the drop-down arrow next to the pet's name reveals all the pet pages and fields. Again, through the use of custom fields, these can also be customized or added to meet your requirements. Here they can add basic pet information such as breed, age, gender, and microchip numbers. For dogs, there is a comprehensive behavior and walking section to let you know all about their pet. There are specific pages you can include that look at boarding, daycare, and cat care, plus a page to add vet information. You will need to create a vet list first for your clients to be able to select from. There is also a powerful vaccination reporting module where clients can upload copies of their vaccination certificates and log expiration dates, which you can report on and send reminders to clients to update their certificates. Next, The Invoices page contains all the client's previous invoices as downloadable PDFs. The Payments page shows payments made by your client or receipts processed on your system. If you have connected your PetSitter Plus account to Stripe, they can add or edit their credit or debit card through the Payment Methods page. Clients can choose to allow you to take payment from their stored payment method as and when you create their next invoice. They can also add or change a card by clicking Add New Card and entering their card details. Finally, let's explore the Other Links page. This page is optional and is useful for adding direct links to your business website pages such as pricing or terms and conditions, plus your social media pages. And there you have it. You've successfully explored the client portal. In other videos in the Learning Zone, we'll cover the settings you need to customize before inviting your clients to their portal, before finally showing you how to send those invitations out. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.